I'll try my best to convince you that it is always possible to win Achi if you are the first player. To do so, let's first create our Achi board. And now for my first play, I'm going to place a yellow peg here in the middle of the board. You'll be player 2. Of course, you have 8 different places in which you can place your blue X, but let's make an observation. By symmetry, you could maybe start at the top here in the middle of this edge. Well, if we rotate the board around, this really will be the same as just having it to be in the middle of one of the edges. So by symmetry, we might as well just say that your play, perhaps as one of 2 possibilities, is here at the top. Now for my play, I'll place here a yellow peg in the upper left-hand corner. You'll of course need to block mine, so you'll play the lower right-hand corner, and for my next play, I will place the lower left-hand corner. Now, there are 2 different ways in which I can win, and here you have 2 different possibilities that you must play to block. You can either play in the middle on the left, or you can play on the upper right-hand corner. Let's say for the moment that you do play in the middle on the left. Well, then I can play the upper right-hand corner, and therefore I will win. However, you could possibly play the upper right-hand corner, in which case I will play the left-hand edge, and I'll also win. So if you were to start by placing in the upper edge in the middle, either way I will win. So let's take a look at the next possibility. What if you were to place one of the corners? Of course, there are 4 corners, and we can rotate things around, and without loss of generality, let's say that you were to play the upper left-hand corner. For my play, I'm going to play the lower middle edge. Of course, you'll need to block, so you'll place the upper middle of the edge. Now, I will need to block, so I'll play the upper right-hand corner. You will need to block, so you'll play the lower left-hand corner. I will need to block, so I'll play the left middle edge. You will need to block, so you'll play the right middle edge. Now, if we played all that we can play in terms of placing new tokens on the board, so we need to slide on the edges. I will slide the lower middle edge here over to the corner. You don't have any possibilities, so you'll need to slide your lower left-hand corner to the middle. And for me to win, I will take the left-hand middle of the edge and slide this down. This means that here along the diagonal, I have a win. So no matter what the second player does, either way, I can win.